Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss FizzBuzz problem in Python. That means how to implement FizzBuzz problem. First we can create the Python class, that means Python file, mention FizzBuzz.py Python. Click finish. Now I will declare num equal to int of input double quotations, enter the number. Now I will write for loop I in range 1 comma num plus 1 colon. Now I will write if condition I %3 double equal to 0 colon a print this. Similarly, I will write else if here also I modulo 3, sorry, modulo 5. 3 is already completed, 5. This way create equal to 0. Print this. Now else if again I need to create I %3 double equal to 0 and I %5 double equal to 0. Here need to print this into display. Finally we can display print I value. Finally we need to display I value. Now we can run this program. We can display what is the output of this program. I will enter 10. This program is executing. See what happened. First, this line is reading the input from the console. That's why this is result. Right? This is a input value. This is a converting to int format. This is a number. You can store the value. I will take for loop. I is equal to I in range n plus 1. Why here give me n plus 1 means this range it will display 1 to 10. We have given 10. 10 means you need to give 11. 11 means we need to decrease one value and the range will display like that. Range will display 0 to 11 means 0 to 10 only display. That's why this is mentioning n plus 1. Here first we need to divisible by 3. We need to check that 3 is divisible by particular number. I is a 1. 1 is divisible by 3. Need to check. Divisible, that is this number. Not this, that is not a these are this number. Similarly, you can go to 5. 5 also same. Number is divisible by 5. That is a busy number. Number is not divisible by 5. That is not a busy number. Similarly, number is divisible by 3 and 5. Need to divisible 3 and 5. That is a FizzBuzz. Finally, not accepting 3 and 5 conditions, that will go to normal value. That value will display. So this is a Fizz and this problem in Python language. If you need more information about Java or Python abbreviations or application development, any Android, web application, web designing, could you please comment at the below commented box. Thank you for watching. Before signing off, I am requesting every video I'm requesting. Could you please subscribe and support me? I will provide more information related to Python and Java technologies. We will meet next video.